Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Do you ever wonder what separates highly successful people from the rest of us? Is it their looks, their intelligence, or something else entirely? In this video, we're going to be looking at some habits that highly successful people have. By the end of the video, you would have learned some good habits that can help you become a better version of yourself. So make sure to watch until the end. Before we begin, we would like to mention that this video is inspired by the book The 80-20th Principle by Richard Koch. According to Richard Koch, the majority of effects in life come from just a small number of causes. For example, 20% of the people in any population hold 80% of the wealth. Similarly, 20% of the customers usually bring in 80% of a company's profits. This concept is known as the Pareto Principle or the 80-20th rule, and it applies to many other areas of life as well. In his book, Richard Koch shares some habits that the 20% of highly successful people have. We will be looking at 4 of those habits in this video. No, 1. They take 100% responsibility for their actions. Highly successful people never blame others for their failures or mistakes. Instead, they take full responsibility for everything that happens in their lives. They understand that everything is ultimately their fault and that they are in control of their own destiny. This mindset allows them to learn from their mistakes and improve themselves constantly. They know that complaining or blaming others will not solve any problems and it will only make them feel like a victim. So instead, they focus on taking action and making things happen. Do you take responsibility for your actions? Let us know in the comments below. No, 2. They read a lot. Reading is an inexpensive way to gain knowledge and improve yourself. Highly successful people understand this and make it a habit to read regularly. By reading, they learn about new ideas, concepts, and perspectives which help them to grow personally and professionally. They also read to learn about the experiences of others and to gain insights into how to succeed in different fields. Furthermore, reading helps highly successful people to relax and distress. It provides a much-needed escape from the pressures of everyday life and allows them to focus on their goals without distractions. What are some of your favorite books? Feel free to share with us in the comments below. No. 3. They surround themselves with positive people. The people you surround yourself with have a big impact on who you are and where you are in life. Highly successful people understand this and make it a point to spend time with positive and like-minded individuals. By doing so, they are able to stay motivated and focused on their goals. They also learn from the experiences and insights of others and are able to get support when they need it. Moreover, surrounding yourself with positive people can help you develop a positive mindset and attitude towards life. This can help you become more resilient in the face of adversity and make you more likely to achieve success in your personal and professional life. Who do you spend most of your time with? No. 4. They think and act on the bigger picture. Highly successful people are able to see the bigger picture and they think and act accordingly. They don't get bogged down in the details and they are able to focus on the most important tasks. This allows them to make better decisions and to use their time and resources more effectively. Additionally, by thinking bigger, these individuals are able to set more ambitious goals for themselves, and this helps them to push themselves beyond their comfort zones and to achieve more than they ever thought possible. They also understand the importance of long-term thinking and are able to make decisions that will have a positive impact in the future. Do you find yourself thinking more about the present than the future? Let us know in the comments below. These are some of the habits that highly successful people have. By adopting these habits, you can become a better version of yourself. Remember that success is not an accident. It is the result of hard work, determination, and a bit of luck. So keep trying and never give up on your dreams. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and share with friends. If you haven't already, please subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching and we'll see you next time.